Good morning, this is Mayor Pat with my weekly update. The big event for the town will take place this Thursday evening, and it will begin with the board conducting a workshop session at 6 p.m. at the Highlands Community Building. The topic of the workshop session will be a review of the UDO ordinances pertaining to the materials that are used on the exterior of commercial buildings and the height requirements of buildings that are in the GI, the Government Institutional Zone. Also, we will have a official business meeting of the town board at 7 p.m. at the community building. We have a long agenda for this meeting, starting with the presentation of the town audit that was conducted this past year. We also will be discussing the procedures for filling the board vacancy, and we have now received all of the applicants for consideration. The cutoff period was Monday at 12 noon, and we have now 5 applications for that position. Let me share with you the names of the people that submitted an application. They are, in no particular order, Jan Pittman, Bill Grubb, Margot Teague, Mark Hain, and Daryl Griswold. The board will now set up a procedure for reviewing the applications, and then in the coming weeks at a public meeting, we'll hold a vote and make a final decision for the appointment to the town board. Hope that you have a very productive and wonderful week here in Highlands, and as always, I will continue to be your mayor on duty.